Respected dear brothers and sisters, firstly, I want to to say, I feel it's a great regret. I cannot come there to receive your prestigious award because it's my health reason. The doctors, concerned doctor, they advised me, take more rest like that, and also some sort of medical checkup like that. So I cannot come to receive your the award. However, I want to thank your organization. When I received Nobel Peace Prize, I expressed, I'm just a simple Buddhist monk, no more, no less. So, but that award or that name, I consider some kind of recognition about my own contribution for peace, non-violence, reconciliation, these things. So similarly here, I deeply touched. Your award is some kind of recognition about my effort, my little service to humanity. Mainly, I fully committed till my death, promotion of human value. The human value including freedom, liberty. These are basic human value. Without liberty, freedom, human creativity nature cannot utilize fully. Without individual creativity utilize, it is difficult to progress. And then meantime, liberty does not mean we also have the freedom or liberty to utilize our destructive emotion. No. The freedom or democracy or liberty is take for granted on the basis of basic human nature is more compassionate, more positive. So we have naturally we have the right of freedom, liberty, like that. So therefore, my commitment to promotion of deeper human value, two ways. Basic human nature, as some scientists experiment, they say basic human nature is more compassionate because we come from our mother. Everybody, every children or everybody has come from mother and receive the maximum mother's affection. Then more constant anger, hatred, fear is very bad for our health. More compassionate mind, very good for our health. This is more now scientists, some of the scientists, through their research, they say that. So that's human basic nature. That's the real basis of our hope. Then the education. Existing education system, not much talking about these inner value. In the terms of these inner value is concerned, then religion usually involved. So then religion, today out of 7 billion, over 1 billion non-believer. And then frankly speaking, among the believer also, sometimes a little bit quite strange or mischievous religious people also there. So therefore, You see, we need the certain sort of way or certain way of to promote or educate these things which can be universally acceptable. So that's, according to Indian tradition, a secular way to educate. When India used the secular means, respect all religions and also respect non-believer. I think that's very relevant to today's world. So my sort of commitment, promotion of these human value through secular way. So education should include some program about, you see, the education about our inner value, not based on religion, but based on scientific finding. So therefore, my last 30 years close discussions or contact with many scientists. So eventually we set up Mind Life institution like that. So there is some sort of fund. Now with this award, I want to give, to contribute the Mind Life institution. So therefore, I asked some of my longtime friend, scientists. So I consider this is something important to educate about moral ethics based on scientific finding. So therefore, I consider this institution is something very important. The institution already carry this is certain quite effective sort of way to educate younger people, although we still in the level of research level. So eventually, I think within few years, I think we may produce a draft about the curriculum about education from kindergarten level up to university level. So then that's so your award is give me further enthusiasm. So I very much appreciate your award. Thank you very much. And then I think, friends, this opportunity, I want to take this opportunity to tell you, to share with you, my friends, we are human brothers, sisters. The concern about the well-being of humanity is everybody's responsibility. So please think, you yourself, each of you, think how much I can make contribution for better world, happier world, healthier world, including environment. So sometimes you see the problem huge, then one individual feel, oh, I cannot do much. So the worldwide movement start from individual, not come from sky or not from UN, not from government level, but we individual. First, individual, you see, should take some initiative, then share with your family member, then your neighbor. Through that way, change the way of thinking in the community. Through that way, eventually, 7 billion human beings' way of thinking can change. So that's my belief and my conviction. So I want to take this opportunity to share my friends there. Thank you very much.